Hi dear viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see a small exercise using Rockwell ARENA software. So first let us see the problem. So modeling of a simple processing system in ARENA. Consider a single workstation consisting of a machine with an infinite buffer in front of it. Jobs arrive randomly and wait in the buffer while the machine is busy. Eventually, they are processed by the machine and leave the system. Job inter-arrival times are exponentially distributed with a mean of 30 minutes, while job processing times are exponentially distributed with a mean of 24 minutes. Simulate the above workstation for 10,000 hours. Make 1, 3, 5 replications of the simulation and observe the changes in the following data. The data to be noted are number of jobs which leave the system, average and maximum number of jobs in process, machine utilization, the average total time of the part in the system. This PPT I shall upload and you can access it. So right now let us see the problem. First let us start the ARENA software. We go to Rockwell. You can see I am scrolling down to R. Rockwell software, the blue color icon. This is the ARENA 2022 version. This is a student version. You can see the disclaimer. So let us first create. So where we have, there is a project bar over here and this is the workspace. These I will explain in the coming sessions. Right now let us see the first exercise. So discrete process panel we have to click. Here you can see create module. Click and drag it over here. Use the left click. Next one, click on the process. See, there are some black dots surrounding, 6 black dots. If the black dots are there, and next one is the dispose module. If you click it, it will go over here and automatically connect. Suppose I will do it once more. First is create. We have put the create module. Now you can see there is no black dots over here. Then I go for process. I click outside. Then I go for dispose module. I click outside. So they are not connected to each other. We have to connect. We have to go to home and then connect. You can connect over here. Here 75%, we give 100%, it zooms in size. So let us arrange it. Okay, we double click on the create module. Okay, so after double clicking on the create module, let us let it be create itself, and entity type as entity 1, and time between arrivals we give expression and move it over here. So take our PPT. What does it say? The job inter-arrival times are exponential with a mean of 30 minutes. So it is an exponential distribution. So what we did here in exponential expression, we go for exponential and a mean time of 30 minutes. Enter 30 over here. Okay, and it is in minutes. Okay, now we have done it. Next step is to double click on the process module. Let it be process 2 itself. It says while job processing times are exponential with a mean of 24 minutes. So here in action, logic under action, you go for cease delay release, then click on add resource 1 units 1. This is what you have to do. Then here in delay type, we have to give expression. This is in minutes. Here in expression, you right click, build expression, and here in random distributions, go for exponential and a mean of 24 minutes. You can see over here, mean of 24 minutes. Then give OK and then give OK. Now you can see over here, we'll make it big. Now the next step is to run the simulation. So here under run tab, we go to setup. Number of replications they have asked, here you can see they have 1, 3 and 5. So let us run for one replication over here, and then in the replication length they have asked for 10,000 hours. So we go for 10,000 hours, 24 hours per day. That's all. Apply. OK. Now here we click on in the run, we click on the go. Here you can see it is running. Here at the bottom you can see, just follow my cursor, it is running here over here. This is 1 by 1 replication. So the first 10,000 hours it is running. Here you can see. So here you can see the number of parts which are entering the system, here the number of parts which are being processed, and here the number of parts which are being exiting the system. Here if you click over here to the last, here you can see that we have increased the speed of the simulation. Now it is going very fast. You can see now over here that it is running very fast. Yes, now the simulation has run to completion. We would like to see the result. Click yes. So here in my software, it will usually be shown as a PDF over here in reports, but for me in the student version it is coming in Excel. So what have they asked? Here you can see. Let us copy this. let us create a table with these four things. Table, number of columns, it is to be 4, number of rows are to be 4, and click OK. So what are the first things? Number of jobs which leave the system. Then the next one is average and maximum jobs in the process. Next is machine utilization. Next is the average total time of the part in the system. So for the first replication, let us see the number of jobs which leave the system. Under that we go to counter statistics, output statistics. So number in is 20,014. Number in is 20,014, number out is 20,004. Over here you can see number out 20,004. We enter over here 20,004. Average and maximum number of jobs in process. So work in process. What have they asked? Average and maximum number of jobs in the process. So average work in process is 4.38 over here. 4.38 and maximum is 36. 4.38 and maximum is 36. Machine utilization. So over here you can see schedule utilization. This value is how much the machine is utilized. Average total time of part in system. So this is also work in process. So the average. This is for the first replication. Now let us do it for the second replication. Here we go to int, then go to setup. Here number of replication we change it to 3. Click on OK and then press the play button. Now we have kept the maximum speed, and here you can see it is running. Here it is showing 1/3. So you can see it is running the first replication. Now it is running the second replication. Now it is running the third replication. Let us close this. Actually, the reports are shown over here. In PDF format, it will be over here. You can click on it. The same titles as in the Excel tabs. Now the simulation has run to completion. Would you like to see the click on yes? Okay, so here you can see counter statistics by representation, then output statistics. Here you can see what is required, number of jobs which leave the system. So number out 20,004, it is the same. So 20,004. What are the other thing? Utilization. This is machine utilization over here. You can see schedule utilization. It's the same machine utilization. The average total time of the part in the system, and average and maximum process. So here you can see here you can see the work in process, the average. Okay, then you can see maximum is 36, then we enter 36. Average total time of the part in the system, work in process. Here across replication summary, you can see total time in the system is this. So the total time in the system, this. Okay. Now let us close this. Let us stop over here. Go to setup. Now change the replication to 5. Okay. Again we run it. Here you can see it is running the first replication. Now this is the second replication is running. You can see at the bottom. Now the third replication is running. Now the fourth replication is running. Now the fifth and final replication is running. Okay, let us see the results. Okay, across replication summary, total time. Here you can see, copy. Here we can see Here now you can see it has reduced. Then machine utilization. Total time we have noted. Waiting time over here. Now let us see number out is, here you can see it is 20,240. System number out. $20,240. 20,240. Average and maximum number of jobs in process. Let us see here average and maximum number of jobs in process. So let us see over here number out 20,240, average and maximum number of jobs. So work in process over here. So let us see the maximum number of jobs. Machine utilization. So utilization, here you can see now we have to get the maximum number of jobs in process. Work in process over here 41 is what we get. So here we got 41. Okay. This is how we do to collect the data. Thank you. Thanks for watching the channel. We can stop it over here. Give file, save as. We are giving concept 1, save. Let us close it.